Hello everyone, in this today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to open a Clickbank account. So you're gonna get to your internet browser, you're gonna search clickbank.com, which is their homepage, and when you're here you're gonna go to the right top of the page and gonna click start here. So it's gonna take you to let's customize your Clickbank experience. You can do all the questions, or like me, you can just skip to the start guide and get to this page. This is their second page where you can log in. Of course, if you have account. If you don't have account, you go to sign up. When you go to sign up, you choose your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, and of course your password. So the password needs to be all this checked. And when you do all that, you go to the continue to terms and conditions. It shows you them, you can read them, you cannot. You close this tab again when you read them, and this will be checked. When it's all filled, when it's all checked, you press join Clickbank. So when you joined, this is the first page that opens. Clickbank, you have dashboard reporting, supported shopping profile, and support. So you need to complete your profile. So you're gonna click complete my profile, and you have everything here. You have your first name, last name, country, phone number, street address, um, suit and province, state, city, zip code, postal code. You fill that all up, and you can choose how will you be paid. Uh, Pay name. So it choose something short, something to remember. Put a pay name. I want to. Let's optimize your performances. I want to what? Sell physical products, sell digital products, promote products, and so on and so on. And you click what you want. So I want this. My company's annual revenue is. So you need to put your annual revenue of your company. For me, it's zero to 25K. And when you fill out the tab, you're gonna save it. You are here on the main page. When you're here, when it's all confirmed, you have this create your account nickname. You need it. So here is the button down below. You click create my account nickname, create a nickname. It puts you here. Account type, you put it what you are doing, seller, sell products, affiliate, combinations, custom test. You just gonna see what you want. Okay, I'm gonna go for sellers, and my nickname, like the last one, something short like this. It needs, you see, it needs to be 5 to 10 characters, and so on and so on. You click sign up, and my account has been created successfully, and that is how you make a Clickbank account. For other questions, for clickbait or something else, you can ask in the comments or watch the video what is next. Bye.